everyone, welcome to Rav's. So today I would like to show you my hydrangea plant. I think you guys are watching my YouTube shorts, so everybody is asking why am I getting more flowers from one plants, that was a secret and all the stuff. So for that want to make a video like this. This is my hydrangea plant, is 3 years old one, and is every year is keep germinating and you won't get any bad anyway. So these are like 3 colored one, like what it's first we will get like this color one, then it turns to pink like that, then it turns to this color. That's the thing for these hydrangea highlight. So for that always keep looking my plants is healthier, or if you had any insect problems or all the stuff. So for more caring, you have to check the leaf, under the leaf all the time. Then we have to give more care for these kind of plants. So once you have to like weekly you have to give fertilization, or you have to give like insect control, otherwise it will get more like the insect problems. I'm usually giving neem oil. I won't use any bad insect control, so I'm using neem oil one, so it won't hurt for the plants, so it won't get any bad for the plants. And for the fertilization, this is the one I'm giving. This is all purpose fertilizer. So it's handcrafted blend, so you won't get any problem for your skin and all the stuff. And Dr. Earth, and is friendly for like ladybug and other stuff. So this one is this one has 222. 222 means 2% nitrogen and 2% phosphorus and 2% potassium. So this one is good for all kind of like herb, fruits and organic vegetables, like and flowers and all the stuff. So it has a lot of instruction how much you want to give for a plant. So the potted one and the ground one also. So you just take, I'm already fertilized this plant, so I don't want to put again. And you just take a amount. I'm using a bunch, like my like just for spreading. So take some and put it under the tree, and take it out some mud and put it over there, and put it back some mud together. And after fertilizing, you should put water. This is the way I'm using for fertilizing a plant. For every plant I'm using same method. That's why I'm getting more flowers. Do you want to see my garden? This is a fragrant lily, but I told you this one has a larvae problem, because